Make a circle in the center of the paper. Then on each side, you're going to do a C and then a little C on the inside. Opposite side, a C, then a little C on the inside. Circle and then a circle on the other side. Added circles on the inside of those. A little upside down triangle for the nose, down past halfway. And then an upside down V at the bottom. I'm going to connect a line that curves from the top of the eye and connects down to the corner of the nose. Then I'm going to do two curved lines that come out from where I just connected to the nose. I'm going to do a bunch of long skinny V's for stripes. Then you can just color in the eyes and add detail.